I know it's not perfect. I know it's not the neatest thing ever. But I feel so proud. Somebody said they didn't like my background and it hurt my feelings, so I tried to switch it up. This still blonder than the last one.
Sure.
You know, see, I have pillows. This is not bland, okay? I have pillows in the background now.
Magic of pillows.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today we're gonna be following along with someone's hair tutorial that doesn't have hair like mine. And by mine, I mean red hair, clearly. I wanted to do an actual hairstyle that I want to wear for like the entire week. So I was thinking like a protective hairstyle, and clearly because YouTube and Google reads your mind, in my recommended section I saw this thumbnail, and I don't know what it is about the thumbnail and the hairstyle, but I just couldn't stop staring at it. I don't know if there's some part of the world outside of Jamaica that is familiar with this braid, but I ain't, okay? So I think it's unique and I want to learn it. So with you guys here right now, I am going to be trying to learn an entirely new braid. You notice the new because it's new to me.
Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair and welcome back to another video. So today, little Bailey is doing the video with me, but she's got a bit of a cold, guys, but she's carrying on for me, aren't you, Bailey? Little soldier, thank you for doing the video, boo. Okay then, so to start this style, I'm just going to take my comb and I'm going to be separating the hair into three. I want it kind of like a curve. So it's quite difficult, guys, to do it on the other side because you're trying to make sure that you're getting it even. So I always just kind of like pick up the hair and just try and make sure that you sort of finished it even on both sides. But I think this is like so hard. Does anybody else find like parting the hair really hard to do?
You know what's hard? Trying to part your hair on your own.
So the next step after we've done that is to do an infinity braid. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to do the infinity braid. If you really struggle, just do an ordinary Dutch braid or French braid, okay?
So I can do a regular braid, regular Dutch braid or French braid. I'm good with that. So I'm hoping that this won't be that hard to catch on to, because I mean, yeah, my fingers should be a little, you know, seasoned to the braiding process.
And then I'll just brush that product through, and can you see how that's really sort of tamed all the hair?
My guess is that the equivalent to the hairspray for her hair texture would be gel for my hair texture, because she's trying to get the hair sleek, and for my hair to get sleek, I need gel.
Now this braid, I don't want it to kind of start from here and come down. I actually want it to start from the side here. So I'm going to take this slice of hair. Now you do need to make sure, guys, that that's got a little bit of length to it, because this bit of hair's got to see you right to the end of the braid. So if you've only got really short bits there, you might need to take a little bit more. And then...
Okay, hold on. Alright, so she's taking hair from the front, going parallel to the hairline, like that. That looks good, right? Okay. And she said that it needs to be long enough to take you all the way to the end. And if I just test the hair, yeah, definitely should be long enough. So
I'm going to divide that into two, guys. Now This is just a personal preference. I don't like it when you can see a split line there. So what I'm going to do is just cross those two over like that. But that's kind of optional, guys, okay? So we've got our two sections. These are going to remain our two sections all the way, okay? So you're going to take a really small section of hair. And this small section is going to come underneath, over the top, back underneath again. And this small section is going to come underneath, over the top, back underneath again. Another really small section of hair, guys. Smooth it out. Now this one's going to be added into that one that you tuck back underneath, so it gets added in together. So they're now one strand of hair. It's going to go over the top and back underneath again. Another really small section of hair, guys. It's going to get added into this one here again. So add it in. And that one's going to go over the top here, back underneath again. Gonna go again, guys. So basically the strand is just being added into and being made thicker all the time. So I'm going to add that into this one here. This is still my right section, that's still my left section. These don't get added into ever. It's this strand here that's working its way over and back underneath again. You see, I'm keeping these two strands really, really wide to make sure that the braid stays nice and tight.
Fuck this job. Fuck this job, bitch, I quit. Fuck this job. Cause I don't really need this shit. Okay.
Let's start this over. Woo! Draw it tight, over, under. How it look? Okay. I just keep forgetting to alternate the over under. Yeah, I think I got it. It really not that hard, you know. Yeah. And go under. Take here from the top. Add it. Go under. No. I shouldn't have taken care from the top a while ago. I should have taken from the bottom. Ah! Ooh! Okay, here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that because my hair is thicker and more texture than her hair is, I should probably grab bigger sections of hair. Yeah. Is there anything happening? I don't know. Alright, I'm not ready to give up yet. Not yet, okay? So if there's one thing I know about my hair and getting it looking nice and neat, it's to add mousse. So I'm gonna add a shitload of mousse and let's see how this braid works out. Listen to me. I might just say screw this and do a wash and go.
You're tired of seeing me doing this over and over again, don't it? Well, this went on in real life for about 5 hours. Yeah. Over and over and over again. Until I decided to take a nap.
So, if it looked like I just woke up, I did. Yeah. This hairstyle is really kicking my ass, and I got frustrated and decided to take a nap. And you know what I had a dream about? This infinity braid. Yeah. So, it came to me in a dream. Different hair, different technique. Okay. Different hair, different technique. And it kept being repeated in my dream. Different hair, different technique. So all I need to do is to think of how I can get the same look with different technique to kind of have the same result. So here's what I'm thinking. What if these two front sections that are going to be hidden throughout the infinity braid, what if I twist them before so that I have more control while doing the braid? So all I have to focus on now is picking up the hair from behind it. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing like what she said. Twist the front. We're trying to hide this part that we made at the front right here. And so let's take up a piece from the top. Same technique, guys. Same technique. Go under, over. So this is the hair at the end. This is the hair that I've been carrying through, and as you see, it is long still, right? But to grip it and to wrap my heavy hair around such a tiny twist, it's a lot. So all right, I'm actually excited though, because at least I got this far this time, you know. I don't know. I don't know what's going on right here. I don't know. No, it's clearly not giving us the same look. It's not. But maybe I just need to practice a little more. Yeah, that could be it. Alright, let's give it another try. Like, I'm not sure how this works out, because then at this point it's like really loose off my scalp, and what I'm used to is like when you're cornrowing. When I'm cornrowing my own hair, I usually hold my hands like this so that it's tight onto my scalp. My twists are getting so thin towards the ends. So, hear me out. What if I added hair extensions to the twist alone? Then it would be stiffer and longer and thicker. Okay, I'm all excited again for this hairstyle. Guys, seriously, I was this close to giving up. Close. So I just went out and I bought one pack of Nappy Annie hair. So I cannot fail at this again. I cannot.
Basically, the strand is just being added into and being made thicker all the time. So I'm going to add that into this one here. This is still my right section, that's still my left section. These don't get added into ever. It's this strand here that's working its way over and back underneath again. You see I'm keeping these two strands really, really wide to make sure that the braid stays nice and tight. So it gets added into again. Okay, so on the home straight now, we are going to be doing a Dutch braid.
Okay. I'm gonna make the executive decision to not do that.
Well, I did end up doing the really loose Dutch braid, but I did end up doing a twist out first to the center section just to add a little extra flair to the final result. And this is my final result after redoing the braid one more time with Eco Styler gel and allowing it to dry.
Recently, I've been trying to not use Eco Styler gel, but sweetie, I had to just take my arse a while ago to go buy a new bottle of Eco Styler gel because I really do think this will help my issue. Woo! This was a ride. But I don't regret it. I learned a new technique. Remember, different hair, different technique, slightly different look. Okay beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. Yeah, I'll be sure to leave all the products I use down in the description box, and also don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to share it. Yeah. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching. Later. Mwah. Am I giving you edgy vibes? I'm like edgy.